Hello students, let's read this question. Figure 24E4 shows a cylindrical tube of length 30 cm which is pitted by a tight fitting separator. The separator is very weakly conducting and can freely slide along the tube. And ideal gas are filled in two parts of the vessel. In the beginning, the temperature of A is 400 Kelvin and B are 100 Kelvin. So separator slides to a momentary equilibrium positions shown in the figure and find the final equilibrium position of the separator and reached after a long time. So let's start the question. So what were our final situation? Firstly, we have to analyze that. Our final situation will be just like this. Here is that separator which is weakly conducting. This is X and this one is 30 minus X. Both are at same temperature and same pressure. So let the temperature will be T and pressure will be P dash. Here temperature is T and pressure is P dash. Here is our first case whose length is 20 centimeter and here is 10 centimeter. So here is 400 Kelvin temperature and here is 100 Kelvin temperature. And the pressure of both will be same. Let's consider both having pressure P1. So the middle wall, this wall is weakly conducting. So thus after a long time, the temperature of both will be equalized. The temperature will be equalized. So that when the temperature will be equalized, then final position of the separating is at distance x from A. From the left side you can say, or you can say this is side A and this is side B. And 30 minus x from the right side, or you can say B sides. So combined gas equation of one side and other side will be, so for side A the combined gas equation will be for side A. What is the equation is? P1 V1 divided by T1 is equal to P2 V2 divided by T2. Put all the values and same for side B. P1 is P, V1 is 20 multiply A and T1 temperature is 400 Kelvin. Here is temperature is T, volume is X into A divided by temperature is T. Here pressure is P dash, okay. So you can get here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 20 and A is cancelled out by A and you get an equation P is equal to P dash into 20 by में T into 20x. Here is x, don't forget this. And for side B, P1 is 4, side B is P1 is P and volume is 10 into A divided by temperature is 100 Kelvin and here is pressure is P1 and this is 30 minus x into A divided by T. You get here A is cancelled out by A and this is 10. Here you get an equation P is equal to P dash into 30 minus x into 10 divided by t. Both having p, both the values of p. So let's equate. Let this be equation 1 and this will be equation 2. Equate 1 and 2. What you get? P dash into 20x divided by t. P dash into 10 into 30 minus x divided by t is cancelled out by t, p dash is cancelled out by p dash, and here is 20x is equal to 300 minus 10x. 10x going here, that is 30x, which is equal to 300, and here you can get x is equal to 10 centimeter. What is x here? It is the separation from the point A. From the end A, the separator will be at distance 10 centimeter. And from end B, it is at 20 centimeter. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.